Classifying parallelograms. True or false? Okay, so we have 4 statements here. We just need to decide if the statement is true or false. And all the questions are going to revolve around the properties of parallelograms. Okay, so my first one, statement A, says every rhombus with 4 right angles is a square. Okay, so I have this kind of quadrilateral family tree here, and my statement, right, says every rhombus with 4 right angles is a square. So I have rhombus is right here. A rhombus is a parallelogram that has all the sides equal, but it doesn't say anything about the angles. So if I take a rhombus and give it 4 right angles, which this property is listed under a rectangle. So essentially I'm taking a rhombus and combining it with the property of a rectangle here. Okay, taking these 2 shapes and combining the properties together. So I need to have all the sides equal and 4 right angles. Does that have to be a square? And the answer is true, right? There's no other shape on this tree that would have both all 4 sides equal and all 4 angles right angles. So this one we're going to mark as true. Okay. The next one, every quadrilateral is a parallelogram. Okay. So if I look here at my chart, if I have a quadrilateral, does it have to be a parallelogram? Every quadrilateral is a parallelogram. True or false? Well, we can see that this is false, because it could be a trapezoid, or a quadrilateral could be a kite, right? There's other options, or it could be none of those, right? Just a generic quadrilateral that doesn't have any of the properties of these 3, okay? So this one we can see is false. Every rectangle is a parallelogram. So now here, is every rectangle also a parallelogram? Well, we can see that's true. It says right here, a rectangle is a parallelogram. But it's a parallelogram that has 4 right angles, okay? But it's still a parallelogram, right? So every rectangle is a parallelogram, true. And then every rhombus is a quadrilateral. Well, rhombus, right, is a type of parallelogram, but a parallelogram is a type of quadrilateral. Right? So we can see that every rhombus going back up through the tree does branch off of or is a type of quadrilateral. So this one is true.